We study things like biology, chemistry, physics, we do quite a lot of maths, and it's all very sort of finding out about things, how things work, why things happen. It's all about investigation. The students we get here are from lots of different backgrounds, lots of different ages, so it's a real diverse mix. I think the students here enjoy the practical side of things, so they like that investigative nature. They also like the sort of camaraderie. We often have things like students doing presentations, working in groups, so they like that whole idea of teamwork. They're not just sat at a desk on their own. If you're interested in research, if you're interested in working in laboratories, analysis, or if you're interested in treating people in a sort of hospital-based situation, we run the courses that prepare you for that. The students that go on to higher education are quite successful. So we have students going on to study things like biomedical science, nursing, midwifery. We have students that have applied to medicine and dentistry and have been very successful. The science courses we run here are either geared towards higher education, so we're preparing students to study at degree level, or at any of the levels they prepare you for work within science or health-based industries. I love teaching because science is a passion of mine, and I enjoy helping students to understand concepts and theories, and when that penny drops, when there's that eureka moment, it's very satisfying as a teacher, and also to know that you've helped students to make progress, to help them one step further along in their ambitions, their career pathways. It's a very satisfying job. I think one of the things that recommend Lambeth College to students are the facilities here. So particularly in science, we have well-equipped labs, well-equipped facilities, and also I think the support that's available for students. So we have an extensive learning resource centre, including lots of computers, the library, and tutors are willing to go that extra mile to help and support students.